If you want to manifest money in 2024, then don't skip this video, because if you aren't willing to do this one thing that takes 3 minutes a day and see your financial situation change, I don't know what to tell you. There's nothing easier. I literally started doing this October 16th of last year, and I had $4,200 unexpectedly come to me in November, and then another $5,800 come to me in December. Not from a job, just like unexpectedly. It literally works. It's wild. The more I did it, the more I believe. But I'm not kidding. I did not skip a day. So if you're going to do this, commit to the bit, okay? You're going to go to the mirror. You're going to look yourself dead in the eye. When you're looking yourself in the eye, you are the authority of your subconscious. And whatever you tell yourself, you're going to believe more than you would if you're just saying this thought in your head. This is what you're going to say to yourself. Literally, I would just like pause the video and repeat everything that I say back to yourself. Just do it every day until you have it memorized. I do it every day when I get out of the shower. Here's what you're going to say to yourself. Success and joy, all the wealth of this earth, all the riches of the universe belong to me. I am a child of the earth and the universe, and so all its riches belong to me. I once lived in thoughts of poverty and decided I was poor, so I was poor. Now I am home, and the rightful consciousness has made me wealthy. I am rich. I am successful. This is my treasure. I am rich. I am rich. I am rich. I have everything because I am everything. I am rich. I am wealthy. I have everything. I have everything. I possess all and everything. I am rich. Money flows to me. I am rich. Money flows to me. I have everything. I have everything. Remember to do this every day until you believe it. This eventually will become second nature. Follow for more like this.